Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how I modernize a short bob haircut. I literally just did this like a couple days ago, and I have never had hair this short, but I absolutely love it, and I hope that this video encourages anyone out there to maybe make the change to trying a shorter lob/bob cut. Okay, so this tutorial is going to be super fast, super easy, so let's just jump right into it.
This first section is very simple. All we are trying to do is smooth out our hair. I love using the flat iron with a paddle brush because it just helps me glide through the hair faster. I am not trying to make my hair bone straight. I just want to smooth out my hair and really concentrate on the ends of my bob. I don't want the ends to be flipping inwards or outwards. I just want the ends to pretty much go straight down. Also, make sure you get the back parts of your head because those are the ones that tend to flip out the most. I am using my flat iron on the hottest heat level, and I do that because I prefer to move really fast, so I'm not too worried about damage, and I am using a really great heat protectant, so you can kind of go based on how you feel you want the temperature to be, but I am using mine at the hottest heat level. To create these S-shaped curls, I am actually still going to be using the flat iron. I am just putting up half my hair so it will be easier for us to control. My section is going to be about 1 inch wide. And I pretty much just put the flat iron in, tilt it outwards, inwards, outwards, inwards, and down. And you can see that the slight tilting that you do will actually create a nice S-shaped curl. Again, this is a close-up that you can see outwards, inwards, outwards, inwards. So just by creating a really slight tilting motion, we'll create these types of waves. I will continue to grab 1 inch sections. I would call them panels more so. I would take these 1 inch panels and continue to do this around my hair, making sure to try your best to get the back as well. As you can see that there is going to be a lot of interior still left untouched, so that's on the bottom of all these little sections I'm taking. I'm actually leaving them straight. I'm only focusing on waving out what you see on the surface right now. Everything in the interior, just leave it alone. That's what makes the style so fast and effortless. So now we're going to work on the top. These two front sections are going to be your most important, so you really want to take your time to make those extra pretty. I'm going to be doing the same motion, in, and out on both sides, and continue this technique again all over on this section as well. If your hair tends to fall really fast when you curl your hair, I do recommend being a little bit more aggressive in your tilt. And if you do that, then your S shape will be a lot more defined and bouncier. But if your hair does fall fast, then that would be to your benefit, and hopefully it will last you longer. I have really coarse hair, so a little bit of tilt is enough for me to get a really good texture. At first, when you do this, it will seem a bit awkward, and you do have to get used to kind of figuring out the right balance of how much in and out you should be pushing. But once you get it down, it is so easy and so quick to do. I absolutely love styling my hair now because it's so fast, and the payoff is super cute and chic. I also love this look because I feel like it's a more controlled textural look. If I use a curling iron for my hair at this length, it just looks too poofy and a little too wavy. It doesn't look as lived in as I want, so this is my preferred styling technique. Right now I'm just taking very tiny sections right on the top, a lot smaller than my other sections, and I'm doing a little bit more of a bigger S-shaped curl. So you can see when I bend my curling iron, it's a little bit more aggressive than what I was doing earlier. And I love adding these little pieces to just add some depth and extra movement into the shape. I love finishing off this look with a texture spray. My favorite one is from Kevin Murphy. It's called Bedroom Hair. I take 2 sections on each side of my part, and just spray some texture spray. And then I do like to flip my head upside down and just spray it all around. Massage your roots to just work in that product. And voila! this is pretty much my final look. If you want a little extra, you can just grab a couple pieces by your part and give it a little bit of a tease on each side. This is completely optional, of course, but I do like having some height at the crown of my head, so I do like to add that in as well. And as you can see, this is the final results. I hope you guys love it as much as I do, and I hope it encourages you guys to cut your hair short and style it in a fun, textural, chic way. This is a very modern take on the beachy wave look, and I'm here for it. It's so darn cute. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.